Okay, Algebra 1, Part 1. This is the continuation of your notes packet, if you still have it. This is Unit 7, Day 10. We are writing the equation of a line given the slope and a point on the line. If you don't have your notes packet, that's fine. You can just do some examples on your own paper and use them later on. A little review. It's been a few weeks since we did this. Slope-intercept form of a line is y equals mx plus b. All right, don't forget m is your slope, b is your y-intercept. All right, so for today's notes, a few steps, all right? We're going to try to find the equation of a line. I give you the slope, and I give you a point. I don't give you the y-intercept, though. So the first thing I would do is we're going to plug in the slope. All right, plug in the slope and the point. Remember, your points are xy coordinates. All right, so step 2 is going to be solve for the b, solve for y-intercept. All right, so once you solve for b, I'm going to add a step 3. Your last step is actually to write your equation of the line. So we're going to write our equation in y equals mx plus b form. All right, we'll do a few examples. I'm not going to do them all. You can try the rest on your own later if you need to. Let's start with number 1. All right, so they give us m. The slope is -2. The point A is 1, 3. So every line is y equals mx plus b. Plug in what they give us. They give us m is -2. They give us this point, 1, 3. That's an xy coordinate. So 1 is x, 3 is y. So plug them in. 3 is y. X is 1. Plus b is still there. We're going to simplify this and solve for b. So 3, -2 times 1 is -2 plus b. Think about how to get b by itself. You have to add 2 to the other side. So a little bit of work, but you get 5 as b. That is your y-intercept. For any equation, you need a slope and a y-intercept, so now we have both. We have the slope is -2, the y-intercept is 5. Make sure you write down your final answer. Let's do one more. Number 2. Slope is -7. The point is 2, 7. All right, once you get the hang of it, it's the same thing every time. Always start with y equals mx plus b. Plug in what you know. All right, so I know my slope is -7. That's m. I know the point is 2, 7. That's xy. So 7 is y. X is 2. We're trying to solve for b. Simplify. -7 times 2 is -14. You can also solve for b. I would add 14 to the other side. B equals 21. So again, don't stop here. Do all that work, that's just the y-intercept. We want the equation of the line, so I need to finish this off. This is y equals -7x plus 21. All right, there's lots more examples. If you have the notes, great. Try the notes, try the homeworks. If you don't have your packet, all right, it is online. You can look it up if you need to. There are questions on your Delta Math just like those, though. So give it a shot. Let us know if you have any questions.